Alright, update. I needed a few parts. I needed new rear sets, a new ignition control for the handlebars, a new clutch lever, and I also needed a new choke on the other side. And if I wanted to buy all that stuff individually, I'd be looking around used about $200 worth of stuff. But I found a parts bike in Ajax for $150, and guess what I got? I got a whole other engine, same year, 1990, different carbs, a whole other frame, another set of forks, extra wiring, and every single component and piece of wiring that I was missing from the bike that I'm building, including rear sets. So $150, got backups of everything, brakes, you name it. I say that's a deal. So now it's time for some assembly, get the brakes, wheels, all that stuff, small accessories back on. We'll go from there.
Listen.
So I have an extra frame, which I'll keep in the backyard under a tarp, in case this gets messed up. Hope it doesn't. Extra engine, spare brakes, spring, anything really like mechanical accessories, and extra wiring. The harness that I got was a rat's nest, but apparently it works. So I will compare the two and see what's missing and what's not. And yeah, that's it. And then I have put the handles from that bike onto this one. The one that I picked up, I think, had racing mods, so I don't think it'll make a difference, but we'll take them off, get them painted to match the fork, and probably change out the grips too, so not so ugly, and get some shorties on here. Sweet. Let's keep going. Okay, so it's like 1:30 in the morning, so I've had a long day and I want to get back to it tomorrow. This is obviously taking me a lot longer than I thought, because I thought I was just gonna like quickly rip it apart and, you know, kind of half-ass put it back together, but the deeper I get into it, the more interesting it gets, and the more I want to do just like a really good job. So, and I feel like every time I do a build after this, it's going to be even better. I totally see the satisfaction in why people do it. Maybe not to their extent, but I do see it and I do understand it. So, yeah, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next one.